Hey everyone, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato. Today's tutorial is for how to set the perfect picnic table setting, which has been inspired by the country of Spain. We chose a soft color palette with contrasting accessories, natural elements, and of course, tasty tapas, which are undoubtedly Spain's most iconic contribution to world cuisine. For this tablescape, we're using fabrics from the Loli's Garden collection, designed by Ana Sanfilippo for Cotton and Steel Fabrics. She currently lives in Spain and is an award-winning illustrator, graphic designer, and pattern designer. This collection was also featured on our brand new boutique-style pattern, the Paloma Bag, for our Bag of the Month kit. We paired the Paloma Bag with our coordinating lunch wrap pattern, which is a handy pattern to pop inside your purse for storing utensils and a plate for on the go, or perhaps even a picnic. View the entire fabric collection and kits on our website with these bright and bold colors that represent the fascinating country of Spain. So here's what we gathered for our tablescape. Our new lunch wrap pattern, meats, cheeses, and other yummy snacks for tapas. Of course, we have plates and utensils, faux wildflowers, a large pitcher for lemonade, a set of napkins using the free pattern on our blog, wood cutting boards, a few vases, pillows to sit on, and a 1-yard cut of cotton for our tablecloth. Now we're ready for the tutorial. Lay out the tablecloth. We're using a blue and white gingham print, perfect for a picnic. Next, we added the cutting boards in the center, stacking them for visual interest. Then we placed our pitcher and milk glass with flowers. Then we started to layer the cheeses and meats, pita chips, jam, dried apricots, and olives on our boards. For the final touches, we added some faux vines, our plates, fabric napkins, wildflowers, and utensils. For this picnic setting, we're also featuring our new lunch wrap pattern, which fits a 6-inch plate and a set of utensils for on the go. And lastly, we placed our outdoor cushions for a comfy spot to sit. And here's the big reveal. Our picnic wouldn't be complete without our Bag of the Month and a good friend to share these delicious tapas with. Let us know if you're enjoying these tutorials in the comments below. All of the stunning fabrics and creative patterns featured in this tutorial are available on our website, sallietomato.com, or request them at your local fabric shop. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.